Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I recently visited Cooper's Hawk Winery and Restaurant in Tampa, Florida. If you like wine, they offer a wine tasting where you get to choose between 8 different flavors of wine for about $15. They also sell a lot of cute little souvenirs and trinkets, some candles, shirts, plates. Okay, so let's get into the food. They served pretzel bread, which was nice and fresh. For my appetizer, I ordered the crab and lobster bisque soup. This was definitely a 10 out of 10. My sisters ordered steak. For my entree, I went with their shrimp and scallop risotto. It was really good. The shrimp and scallop were nice and fresh. I truly enjoyed myself. The food was really good and the atmosphere is so pretty and inviting. If you're ever in the Tampa area, give this restaurant a try. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Leave a comment if you have a restaurant that you'd like for me to try. Bye.